used a calendar to create this really cute and chunky junk journal. Come see how it turned out. Hello everyone, it's Jennifer. Thank you for stopping by Scrapbooks and Memories today. So I have created a junk journal. I just have it bound with some black lace. Let's see if we get to the middle real quick. We'll do a flip through. I want to show you that it is from a old calendar, and I did reinforce it with some washi tape on the spine here. You can always go ahead and reinforce the edges too if you'd like. And I just did a 2-hole little stitch together, and on the insides I did fold it up once, the calendar, and then I folded the sides in about a half an inch on each side, and that made these cute little pockets here that you could tuck things into, and it also made it to where it was a nice manageable size. So I went ahead and went through and used all of the pages from the calendar as the pages, and then I also have just some packaging papers that came in. And then I went through my stash and picked out anything that I was like springy, flowers, summer, birds, plants, and stuck them in. And I left a lot of spots for journaling, for sticking pictures, for writing. Here we could tuck in some pictures behind here. You could write behind that. And I did also use just some extra papers that I had in my stash. And this was a card front someone had gifted me before, so I just went ahead and put that down with some washi tape. And we have a bunch of tucks, a bunch of places to write. Did some stenciling. Some of the pages you can't really see all the birds, but you could do like maybe some writing here, add a little photos, put some photos here or right back there. We have some tucks. You could write on the back of that. And if you want to just leave the images, you could do that too. I have some stacked pockets, some tags. This was gifted me by Penny. Thought mushrooms would be cute in here. Some more stenciling. And a lot of this ephemera and pockets and things you see came from my stash of doing ephemera madness for those 2 years. So this was intended to be a pocket. That's why I have a little notch right here. But I figured, we could still just use it to write on the back with this hidden paper clip. And on the back here, I figured you could write and maybe put a photo on the back of this one. It's like a little photo mat. I love that image of that sweet hummingbird. Again, some photo mats. So it definitely was a lot of fun to go through my stash and just start sticking in things that went with the theme. Up here, this was a page, not a page trim, but oh gosh, I'm not gonna be, the ones you roll into like strips. You have like a strip of paper. I keep wanting to say jelly roll. It's not a jelly roll. But like you decorate it and you have like a whole roll of it, like a continuous strip. And then so I cut off a piece of that and stuck it on the top and glued it halfway down to make it like a little tuck spot there. I swear I'll probably think of the name of it later. And here, this is the middle. So you have 2 of these long pockets. And then I just slipped in this little folder I made. There's the little string, it just slipped right in. And I just put some little ephemeras in there to write on. A pocket here with a bunch of cute little things to write on. Some more writing space in this tuck. You could also use them as photo mats. Another one of those little snippet rolls. Snippet rolls. That's what it's called. Those are coming from a snippet roll I had created. This is a little pocket I decorated. A little coin envelope. I knew the name would come to me eventually. A little journaling spot inside here. The little collaged pockets. And I did glue everything down, but I just went ahead and put like washi tape on a lot of my pockets just to reinforce it. This was supposed to be like a bookmark, but I thought it would work really well as a little side tuck pocket here. Adds little things in there. You can write on the back of that. Here's a little envelope. No, is it? Nope, it's not. It's a hidden writing spot. See, I thought to myself it was an envelope. It's a little hidden journaling spot tucked away under here. My little owl pocket. Or no, he flaps. Yep, it's a little flap. You can write, you can put a photo here, write about your photo there. Love that little snowy owl. Here we have a pocket. You can write on the back of that or put a photo. And then here's the final back of the journal. And this is just a time card I altered one time. And this is a sweet little seed envelopes I had created. This came out so cute. I have 2 more of these I'm saving for other projects. And that's the journal. I think it came out so stinking cute. It is pretty chunky already as it is. But I'm thinking if maybe I got glue on it here. I could always washi tape the edges here just so they'll have like better durability. But I think it came out so stinking cute. So don't throw out those calendars, you guys. Just fold them creatively and make them into journals. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you got a little bit of inspiration, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.